How many total bits are required for a direct mapped cache with 128 KB of data and one word block size, assuming a 32-bit address and one word of 4 bytes, let it be byte addressable. Given the size of the cache, size of cache block and number of bits for the physical address, and we shall assume it to be byte addressable. They are asking the total bits required for the direct mapped cache, that is the total size of the cache. The cache can keep the data blocks as well as each cache line is associated with the tag. So the total size of the cache is the data cache size plus the tag cache size. The data cache size is already given. To find the tag cache size, we need to find the size of each tag entry and the number of tag entries. For that, we shall start with the physical address. The physical address is of 32 bits, referring to the main memory. We can divide it into two parts, the block number or the block index and the block offset. To find the block offset, the block size is given. Main memory block size is same as the cache block size, which is one word, and each word is of 4 bytes. That is 2 raised to 2 bytes. So to address each byte, since it is byte addressable, to address each byte uniquely, how many bits are required? 2 bits are required. Thus the block offset is of 2 bits and hence the word field is of 2 bits. And the remaining 30 bits is the block index or the block offset. Among the remaining 30 bits, the least significant particular number of bits will be used as the line number or the line index, which decides to which cache line it should be mapped. So that we have to find out the number of cache lines. The number of cache lines is equal to the cache size, total cache size divided by the line size. Cache data size divided by the line size. The cache data size is 128 KB and each cache block size is 4 bytes. Thus 2 power 7 into 2 power 10 divided by 2 power 2, which is 2 power 15 cache lines. So to address each line uniquely, how many bits are required? 15 bits are required. So how many bits are used for the line number or the line index? 15 bits. Thus the least significant 15 bits of the block index is used as the line index and the remaining bits is used as the tag. So we have find out the number of bits required for the tag, 15 bits. In direct mapping, each cache line can keep a data block and each cache line will be associated with a tag. The number of bits for the tag is calculated to be 15 bits. That is, each tag entry is of 15 bits, and how many tag entries will be there? It is equal to the number of cache line. The number of cache lines is 2 power 15 and the total cache size is the data cache size plus the tag cache size. The data cache size is given as 128 KB and the tag cache size is tag entry size into the number of tag entries, that is 15 bits into 2 power 15. Options are given. To match with it, we shall convert it as 2 power 7 into 2 power 10 into 1 byte equals 8 bits, that is 2 power 17 into 8 bits plus 15 bits into 2 power 15. Taking 2 power 15 out, 8 fours are 32 bits plus 15 bits, which is 2 power 15 into 47 bits, which is 2 power 10 into 1504 bits, which is same as 2 power 10 into 1.5 into 2 power 10 bits, that is about 1.5 megabits. So the option is D, 1.5 megabits.